Yes, it is a Friday, the good start of the weekend, and I hope you are all doing well and staying safe. I have a news to share with you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. But before we dive into our details, I would like to take this chance to express my sincere gratitude for your unwavering support throughout my journey. Your cheers and encouragement mean the world to me. So, if you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get on news information, you can subscribe and smash the bell icon. Here we go. Is Kaizer Chiefs gear up for the upcoming season of 2025-2026 with different competitions like the Betway Premiership, Nedbank Cup, and the prestigious CAF Confederation under the managerial guidance of Tunisian football manager Nasruddin Mohamed Nabi, announced their sight on a talented midfielder known as Sifo Mbule from Mamelodi Sundowns, who is currently playing steady with the Shekukuno United on loan. Sifo Mbule will return to Mamelodi Sundowns at the end of the season, but his contract is set to expire. So Kaizer Chiefs are given high priority to sign him as a perfect addition to their already formidable squad, so that they will be able to participate effectively in different tournaments like the Betway Premiership and others, as I mentioned before. So it is only the matter of time to see if the deal will materialize. We expect to see from Mbule will wear the unique golden black jersey of the Amakos family starting from June 2025-2026. According to your own opinion, do you think the deal is going to materialize? Please write a little bit on the box section below. But remember, if you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get news information, you can use this opportunity to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be able to get all news information like rumors, transfer update, prediction, as well as fixtures. Goodbye, and may Almighty God bless you all.